What is up? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm going to be in this video breaking down a meal that I made instead of a crock pot. It's this macaroni and cheese chicken, super flavorful, high protein, super easy. And then me and my wife, we did kind of talk about some baby names, which was pretty fun. But first, we're going to be doing the breakdown of my progress so far on my weight loss journey, comparing the before and after photos, okay? So let's get it. So over 3 weeks, I'm pretty happy with the pace so far. I see myself leaning out and it's just getting started really. We are back at it with a new recipe, and we're gonna be cooking up a nice recipe that I found from my homie on TikTok. His name is Clean Health. You gotta check him out. I'm just a dude trying to look up for recipes, right? I am a coach, but when I'm looking for recipes I want to make, I'm simply TikToking or YouTubing, searching macro-friendly blank. And I found this queso crock-pot thing that we're gonna make, chicken, high protein. It's gonna be delicious. My kitchen isn't even as clean as I want it to be, but you know what? Like, that's how life is, you know what I mean? We're busy sometimes. I'm not gonna sit here and flex like I got a clean, super clean kitchen. I don't, okay? Your boy's busy. So we're gonna do what we can though with what we got, and we're gonna go ahead and start cooking up, okay? Let's do it. So first thing, we're gonna set this to 400. We're gonna chop up these 2 bell peppers. What am I saying? 4 bell peppers and an onion. Wow, the magic of clapping your hands and being able to cut things instantly, that's like literally crazy. All right, so we're gonna put this on a baking sheet. So just like this. And we're gonna put this in there for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Oh, yeah. One thing I'm gonna be doing as well, because I'm going to be following a recipe and it's not gonna be exact. I'm gonna be weighing things as I go so I know how much ingredients to add. So this is for tracking. When you go to track, one thing you could do when you're following a big recipe like this is you can add each individual ingredient, create a recipe on MyFitnessPal, and you're gonna add 1 ingredient at a time, the total amount of things that you use. And then you divide by how many servings you want to be able to make off of everything that you made. And you're gonna be eyeballing what each serving is, but as long as you pretty much eat close to that each serving size and you're eyeballing it and you are completing everything, your ability to lose weight is a weekly running total. So it's about weekly calories anyway. So even if it's not perfect, some days will be a little bit smaller, some days will be a little bit higher. As long as it's all eaten, it'll be good. So I'm gonna put this on the scale and zero it out to take it out as I chop it up. So we're gonna dice up this chicken breast. So I'm zeroing out the scale right now. I'm gonna change it to ounces, just so I can have it and track it as ounces as I take out this chicken breast. Smells good to me. I'm always like a little paranoid, honestly, with chicken. It looks kind of weird too, though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go for it. So that is 2 pounds and 0.6 ounces. So we're gonna just say 32.6 ounces. Sounds good to me. There you have it. We got it all diced up, and now we're gonna just take this one at a time and put it into the crock pot. We're gonna add this chicken. We're gonna add 120 grams of enchilada sauce, 80 grams of green chilies, roasted tomatoes, just pouring this whole can, and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. 1, 2. And in the seasonings, we got salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some onion salt. Just pour that all in there. And we're gonna add in all the roasted veggies. Hey, Chihuahua. Eso ahí vale, wey. By the way, I don't really speak well Spanish, so ignore it. I'm just teasing. Alright, I'm making a mess. Who cares? I gotta get this done. Alright, just gonna mixy. Oh, you can tell there's gonna be a lot of flavor in there. Wow. I set it to slow cook. I don't know if that's 4 hours or 4 minutes. I hope this is working, so we're gonna find out soon. Here we go. So it's going, I think. And now we just let it do its thing, I guess. So, yeah. Now my cutie wifey is gonna help us cook a little bit. My wife's a little bit embarrassed about the dishes, but I told you guys, the viewers, that, hey, we're just real people. Sometimes there's dishes in the kitchen, you know, we work jobs, you know. It's just how it is, right? I'm sure your guys' kitchen's not spotless. Babe, right there, your kitchen's not spotless.
I don't know, maybe it is.
Maybe it is. By the way, I heard some really good names for a baby.
Oh.
You want to hear some?
Sure.
Okay, I gotta remember them though. All right, so the first idea that we got was for a girl. If it's a girl, and this is from my homie Legend, Astrid. She doesn't like it. I don't like it either. So, okay. And then for a boy named Chevy. Why don't you like it? How would you? Yeah, I don't like it either, but.
Thank you for your suggestions, but we're gonna respectfully decline and move forward with another proposition.
Okay, we got some more. All right, so Selena from TikTok recommended Amina.
Amina. I kind of like that.
Ameena.
Okay.
I like it too, right?
I like it.
And it's almost like it can be like as a little girl, like Amina, like oh, little Amina, but also like a grown woman, like Amina, like I don't know, it's like Queen Amina. Like it just sounds like
Sounds regal.
sounds regal. Like I really like it. Okay, another one, anemia.
Oh.
Someone did actually suggest anemia.
No.
I said Aaliyah.
I love Aaliyah.
You like Aaliyah?
I love Aaliyah.
I really love Aaliyah too. A little Aaliyah. Aaliyah.
It's a good one.
Or what about Analia? No, because then we're gonna call her Anna.
Aaliyah. No.
Well, we'll see what we do.
This is so soon.
It is now cooked. The chicken. We are now going to pour the cheese sauce. Boom. Oh yeah. Oh shit. How do I?
Let me twist.
Twist. Oh damn, this is thick. Ooh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. You have to make sure you guys don't put this in there with it. Oh. Okay.
Oh.
I guess now we're gonna pour some of this back in because there was too much in there.
You've got this.
You believe in me?
I believe in you.
The future father of your children.
Yes. Look at that precision.
That's how we make babies. With precision. Okay, I'm done. Oh, no fit.
Yay!
Like to the rim.
Perfect.
That's crazy. It's meant to be. Just like our life. Alright. Let's get this bad boy up in here. Trap it in with this hat. Cook it for another 10-15 minutes, right?
Yes.
Is it on low or what? Alright, there we have it. A finished bowl. Wifey's serving herself. Oh yeah, get it, baby. Let's go ahead and just do a quick little taste test. And then I'm gonna eat because I don't care. I gotta eat. I'm hungry. That's so flavorful. Cheesy. I'm getting 45 grams of protein. It's a win. I'm gonna go eat later.